Hello everyone, I just bought this tiny house with a big shed in the backyard. We're going to tour this home and talk about my plan of renovation. If you are interested in seeing all the numbers, make sure you stay until the very end of the video. Let's start out front. This front yard is quite plain and boring. The grass is all dead and there's a bunch of weeds. It's no surprise because there's not even any sprinklers. So we're going to put in new sod and install the new irrigation system. The house has been a rental for a very long time and it needs a lot of TLC. We're going to have to repaint the exterior walls because the paint is very tired and you can see a lot of marks. The roof and garage door are in good shape. We just need to power wash them. The windows need to be replaced and this storm door is very weathered. We're going to take it off. And the front door here has a half moon on top, which makes it look very traditional. So we're going to replace the front door as well. Now welcome inside. This living room is actually pretty big, especially because it's combined with the dining room. This whole space has only one pendant light. That's why it feels so dim. So we're definitely going to install a lot of new recessed lights. I think probably around 8 of them in the ceiling, and it will help a lot. The interior paint currently is this medium beige color, which makes the room feel even more dim. We have to do a lot of patching on the walls and fix the wall texture and then repaint. The fireplace here is a simple brick fireplace and it can use some dressing up. The flooring is hardwood floors, which is nice and can be restored. And it seems like somebody already got started. So we're just going to sand the floors and put on a coat of stain. So over here on the other side of the front door, there is actually another door that's hidden. I thought this was a door to the garage, but it's actually a closet. So we're going to remove this closet and open up a door actually to go into the garage so that the access to garage will be more convenient. We have a galley kitchen here, and this type of galley kitchen is very common in small older homes. So the cabinets seem to have been painted not too long ago and they are two-toned, but the cabinets have ugly hinges and they are extremely old, so we definitely have to gut it all. There is not a lot of space in this kitchen and the wall, it comes out in this corner. We thought about pushing it back to make the space a little bigger in the kitchen, but there's actually the tub in the hallway bathroom behind this wall, so we can't really do anything about it. There's also a door going to the backyard. That's the only way for people to access the backyard from inside the house. So we have to keep this one as well. The laundry is also cramped in this small kitchen. So after we open up the door to the garage for people to easily access the garage from inside the house, we're going to also relocate the laundry into the garage so we can gain more space in the kitchen. And in here, we're going to put a lot of recessed lights, new cabinets, countertops, new flooring, and make it a lot more attractive. Before we continue, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video so far, and make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can see more interesting before and after videos like this. I wrote a book called Flipping Houses Quick Start Guide. It's a comprehensive guide for house flipping beginners, so make sure to grab a copy if you're interested. This is the first bedroom in the house, and it's extremely stinky. The room is super dark, there's no light in the ceiling, and the walls are of the same beige color that's feels kind of depressing. We have to patch a lot of the holes in the walls and also repaint the interior. And we are going to remove this very filthy and probably the source of the stinkiness of the carpet. And then we're also going to replace the interior door and the closet door. The second bedroom is very small. Again, it's very dim in here. The subfloor is so exposed. We're going to put in a ceiling light, replace the window, replace the flooring, and repaint the walls. The guest bathroom is of a typical size. The shower tiles don't even go to the ceiling and they don't even go past the shower head, so we have to redo the shower tiles. The tub is very old and can't be saved either. You can see the vanity light, the medicine cabinet don't really age very well, and this vanity, the cabinet doors have a big gap in the middle, so it definitely has to be replaced. And there are a lot of holes in the wall that have to be patched, and the paint is not done right. Over here, a big chunk is missing. Also, the top of the shower is not really painted. So we have a lot of work to do here, but after we give it a makeover, it's going to look so much better. The primary bedroom is painted bright yellow, and there are so many marks and holes in the walls that we have to fix. This closet door has so many stickers on it, and we definitely have to replace it. We also want to replace this window, add a ceiling light, and replace this disgusting carpet. Over here on this side, you can see it was probably under the bed or something, and the original color of the carpet was like that, and the rest of the room is just filthy. So we want to put in new flooring in here, and with the new paint, it will change the look completely. The primary bathroom is probably one of the smallest I've ever seen. But unfortunately, because all the rooms are already so tiny, there's no way to expand this bathroom. We just have to make the space work. The vanity light, mirror, and vanity are all super dated, and the shower tiles again don't go all the way up to the ceiling, and it's not done properly. The seams don't even match, so we have to gut pretty much everything and replace them with modern plumbing fixtures, and also repaint the walls and replace the flooring in here. This backyard is triangle shaped, and it's actually of decent size. The aluminum awning is very hideous. After we remove it, it's actually going to make the backyard feel a lot bigger. And over here, there's the green outdoor carpet that's so weird and it has disintegrated. We probably want to remove it and put some sod over here to make it family friendly. On the side, the fence looks new, but in the back, there are actually two fences back to back, and one of them has already fallen over, so we're probably going to remove that one and keep the one that's in better shape. And on this side, we have this large shed that I was talking about. It's kind of taking up this entire corner, and it looks gigantic. The inside of it actually is in pretty good condition, and it provides a lot of options for the buyer to either use it as an home office or as a gym or as a workshop. So it's a pretty interesting feature. But unfortunately, there's not enough setback against the fence on this side or against the house on the other side. So we're not sure if we would be allowed to keep it, and we'll have to see what the city has to say about it. Now let's take a quick walkthrough of this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, just over 1,000 square feet total. This is again my favorite type of house flip because the scope of work is simple and we don't have to move any walls. especially in the kitchen where usually a lot of the renovation budget is dedicated to. We just need to do some cosmetic updates. But moving the laundry into the garage will make an impact. You can't really tell from the video, but this bedroom was extremely stinky and we had to take a breather outside after filming it. The tenant probably had pets that urinated on the carpet, and maybe that's why the carpet was removed in the second bedroom. The bathroom looks clean, but the finishes were poorly installed and we would have to fix that. It's unfortunate that the primary bedroom and bathroom are so confined. We're going to have to keep the pocket door and use nice finishes to enhance the appeal. Overall, this will be a quick project and we hope to complete it in a couple of months. Subscribe to the channel to get updated. Now you've seen this entire fixer-upper, let's talk about the numbers. I purchased this home for around $1 million and we plan to put in about $100,000 into the renovation because the renovation is actually pretty straightforward. The after repair value is about $1.4 million and the house will look completely different. The estimated profit is around $150,000, so it's a pretty good deal. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you can see the after video once it's up. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Before we continue, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video so far, and so that make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can see more. Now you've seen this entire... What's wrong?